Hello, guys one. She remembers the little details. Does she remember things you've mentioned in passing, like your favorite movie or how you like your coffee? If she's bringing up little details you've shared, it's not just good memory. It's her way of showing she pays attention and values you. 2. She finds ways to compliment you. When a woman likes you, she'll find subtle ways to compliment you, whether it's your style, your work, or your personality. These compliments are often genuine, showing she's not just interested in how you look, but who you are. 3. She makes an effort to spend time with you. If she's always suggesting plans or showing excitement about hanging out, it's a clear sign she wants to be with you. Whether it's grabbing coffee or going to a concert, she's looking for opportunities to be around you and create shared memories. 4. She's playful and flirty. Flirting can be playful and lighthearted. If she teases you, smiles a lot, or gives you lingering glances, she's likely trying to create a fun connection and see how you respond. It's her way of testing the waters and gauging your interest. 5. She asks personal questions. When a woman is genuinely interested, she'll ask about your life, your values, your goals, and your experiences. These aren't just small talk questions. They show she's trying to get to know you on a deeper level. 6. She shares personal stories. She opens up about her own life, experiences, and challenges. By sharing these personal stories, she's building trust with you and showing that she values your opinion and wants to create a meaningful connection. If you notice these signs, she's likely interested in something more than just a friendship. Keep an eye out for these subtle clues, and you might find that she's hoping you'll make the next move. Thanks for watching. If the like video and subscribe my channel.